Hello, my name is Karun Kaushik. I am your technical expert advisor. Today I welcome you in Eastman Techno Expert session. Today we will talk about how to check cell unbalancing and its resolution in 51.2 volt model. Sometimes you may notice that some cells charge very fast or some cells discharge very quickly. As compared to such cases, it becomes necessary to check which cell requires equalization. First of all, identify which cell is having the issue. This information can be checked on the battery display and it can be seen from the host monitoring software. In Eastman battery, there are 16 cells. If a particular cell is unbalanced, the cell number or the location will be visible on the display or from host software. Once the unbalanced cell is identified, switch off the battery and open the top cover of the battery. Once the top cover is removed, using a multimeter, measure the voltage of each cell one by one. You need to take cell to cell voltage for rechecking. Compare it with the other cells. Cell equalization. After identifying the weak or unbalanced cell, that specific cell needs to be charged externally using a DC power source called as cell balancer. This process is called as cell equalization. Charge the cell carefully until its voltage matches the voltage level of the other cells. Once the equalization is completed, reassemble the battery properly and switch on the battery. If all the cell voltages are balanced, the battery will start working properly and smoothly. Thanks a lot for staying with us till the end of this video. Hope the information I shared will be helpful to you. Please like, share and subscribe for more such videos.
Eastman.